Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today, what I want to share with everyone is how to quickly enable the search bar in Leonardo.AI. In the creative process, the search bar in Leonardo.AI was a helpful tool for finding creative directions. Unfortunately, this feature has been disabled in Leonardo.AI for a long time. Today, I'm going to teach you a simple way to re-enable the search bar functionality. If you enjoyed today's video, feel free to subscribe and share my channel. First, right-click on the home page of Leonardo.AI, then click on Inspect. After moving to the right side of the screen, click on the Select Element button at the top. Next, move the mouse pointer to the search bar and click on it. In the code dialog on the right side, it will jump to the corresponding location. You can see the keyword search temporarily disabled, with the word disabled following it. Double-click to select the keyword disabled, then press delete to remove this keyword. Finally, press enter to confirm the changes. After completing everything, click the X button in the upper right corner to close the code window. Now let's try out the search bar functionality. You can see that the search bar is now active for entering keywords. Once you've entered the keywords, simply press the Enter key to start the search. Wow, the search bar functionality is now active. It's pretty simple, isn't it? Finally, thank you for watching. I hope today's video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. See you in the next video, bye bye.